Hello everyone, this is your mentor Ayush R from IIT MADRAS, and today we are with our new topic, that is variation of G in terms of pole and equator. Geographically, we are having North Pole and South Poles in terms of Earth. This is our Earth, this is our planet Earth, and this is the N pole, that is North Pole, and this is our South Pole. Clearly it is seen that in some observations, in some observatories, the value of G, that is acceleration due to gravity at pole, G at pole is greater than that of G at equator. This is why, because the deeper you are going inside the earth, the value of G reduces. The deeper you are going inside the earth, the value of G reduces, and the higher you are going above the surface of earth, the value of G increases. At pole, the value of G is maximum. At pole, the value of G is maximum. G is nothing but it is acceleration due to gravity. G is nothing but it is acceleration due to gravity. It is acceleration due to gravity.